Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us prepare mango semolina cupcakes or mango rava cupcakes. For this, take around 1 cup of rava, that is semolina. To this add half a cup of sugar, quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Give the dry ingredients a nice mix. Next we are going to add the mango pulp. This is 1 cup of grinded mango pulp. Give a nice mix. Mixing is almost over. Next we have to give some time for the rava to absorb the moisture and become soft. So give rest for around 15 minutes. This will make the batter soft. The time is over. Now give a nice mix. And add quarter cup of refined oil. And again give a nice mix. The batter is ready. It has to be in this consistency. Please check this out. Now let us get ready with the baking tray. This is a muffin tray and I am using cupcake papers. Now let us transfer the batter into this. Make sure you are leaving some space for raising. By this time, get ready with your oven. Your oven has to be preheated at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Now bake this for around 15 to 20 minutes at the same temperature. Our cake is ready. We can take it out. Top this with some chopped badam and pista. Our cupcakes are ready. Hope you like it. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.